So what percentage would you say? I know in General Sessions Court, we have evictions, we have debt collection cases. I would say the majority of my docket is evictions and debt collection cases out of all of the breach of contract cases I have. What percentage of your docket would you say is divorce cases?
Sure, that's a great question. And I'll answer it this way. Divorce cases seem to end up in my courtroom all the time. Now that doesn't mean there's more divorce cases filed than any other type of case, but unfortunately these divorce cases are often very contentious, so they're having to come back time and time again for motion hearings and disputes and things like that. So from my amount of time I spend on divorce cases, I'd probably say at least 60% of my time is spent dealing with divorce cases. That might not be, the actual volume, the number of cases filed, because just when we think we've gotten done with one case, meaning I've issued a final decree of divorce, everything's split up, we're good to go, 3 months later, the parties are back, and they're alleging that one party hasn't complied with the custody, hadn't complied with the child support, and so then we're dealing with a post-divorce case that starts kind of all over on those issues. And so sometimes they're just the cases that won't go away, unfortunately.
So is that maybe, do you think that's maybe one of the reasons, like my first week on the bench, I heard over 400 cases, as opposed to circuit court, how many cases do you think you hear in a week?
And see, that's a tough question to answer because every week is so different. I'm very familiar, obviously, with how your docket and the other General Sessions dockets work. Circuit court is just different because what'll happen, we'll have parties that come in and say, hey, we're ready for a jury trial. And so, I'll block off Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of this week for your jury trial. But then other people obviously have stuff they want to set. So then we decide whether or not we're going to double book our days or not double book our days. And then sometimes the jury trial might settle and then we have a blank day and I'm trying to get people back in that needed dates. So for example, this coming week, I can give you just kind of an idea. Tomorrow, I'm going to have a custody trial that's probably going to last all day. So that one case will take the whole day on this custody trial. And then the following day, we're supposed to start a jury trial that the parties have promised me they can finish in one day, and we'll see what happens. But then Thursday and Friday, I have other matters set throughout the day as well. So every day, every week's just a little different.
And this is Inside General Sessions Civil Court. We would love for you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.